Hi everyone, new coating Ultra Shine. I will show you how easy the application it is. We can put a couple of the drops. For the start we can add a little bit more. Application is very easy. And you will see after what's the result. Yes. Also you can put it on the plastics, on the trims, rubbers. You can leave it at least for minimum 5 minutes. 5 to 15 is okay, but if you will even leave longer, nothing happened, it will be still very easy to remove. I think it's the easiest application of the whole coating what Optimum have, probably even on the market. And look how easy. It's very smooth. We can put it also on the glass if you want. Maybe not on the front, but the rest is okay. Okay, then we can remove and then we go out and we will show you the result.